YouTube, it's Nick here, and I'm rolling up I-59 in my 1967 Dodge Cornet. I'm headed towards Starkville to pick up Wesley, and we're going to head to the Carcraft Summer Nationals. And I'm about 12 hours late. I was wet sanding and buffing the paint all last week, and it just took way longer than what I thought it was going to. And I was buffing up until the last minute, about 10:30 last night, when I just got done with the car. I was pulling it out, go pack everything up. I turned my headlights on, and as soon as I hit the brights on the clicker, everything shut down. Car shut down, lights turned off, just everything went dark, and it turned out to just be a fusible link. So I fixed that. It took me a while to fix it because for some reason the link itself was showing that it had good resistance, but then when I plugged it up, nothing would happen, so I just went ahead and replaced it anyways, and it worked. So now I woke up really early this morning, so I'm running on about just a few hours of sleep. So hopefully I can make it to Starkville without falling asleep. All right, so I made it to Starkville. Picked up a hitchhiker.
Yep.
That's
hey
now
guys.
driving.
I'm driving.
Yeah.
I bet this thing will corner really well.
Yeah, no sway bars. Really soft springs.
Yeah.
Alright, next stop is, well, really somewhere in between here in Bowling Green.
Yep, somewhere
Make it
to
to
eat.
Bowling Green eventually.
All the power.
We cruised on to Tupelo, where we got onto the Natchez Trace. When we crossed over into Alabama, Wesley got stopped for allegedly doing 63 and a 50, but the cop was really cool, so he let us go with just a warning. We drove on into Tennessee, where we found a great spot with a couple of waterfalls, so we spent some time there exploring and stretching our legs. Once we were done goofing off, we hit the road again to try to make it to Bowling Green before registration had closed. We made it there right at closing time, but the great people at FM3 Marketing let us register even though they had already packed up and headed out. We made it to Beech Bend just in time to watch the Midnight Drags competition. Then, after adjusting the headlights on the Cornet at the track, we drove back to the hotel to crash for the night. When we got back to Beech Bend Saturday morning, cars were already making passes down the drag strip and pulls on the dyno. It didn't take long before cars were on the drift track shredding tires. People were making laps on the drag strip all day long, and between drift sessions, cars were running on the Autocross course. It was great to stand between the two tracks and see drag racing and autocross or drifting just feet from where we were standing. The Carcraft Summer Nationals is just an awesome event, and we got a ton of footage. So here's the highlights of what we got. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.
Wesley's found him a new friend
You
because
drive up there and shot it.
no,
Do it.
there's a skunk running up the hill, and Wesley's trying to catch it.
I'm trying to get it to come spray Nick's car. I will say, I got the skunk to stop and turn around and come towards the vehicle by just whistling at it.